Okay, so, yeah, one more. Prove it. Okay, so yeah. Uh, I wanted to, now, I want to talk a little bit about this, because I'm actually redoing this video. So I don't want to get one more of these, just to have to use, and this because I can never have too many of these, because for me, if I'm in a post-apocalyptic situation, this is what I would want, because it has a bag, it's a whole kit, basically. Has the filter, has the syringe thing, has a shawl, and has a bag. And the bag is really good. Because you're like, yeah. Let me see if I can see where it's manufactured, blah, blah, blah. Safe Harbor, Florida. Yeah. By the way, in case y'all wondering, the American Red Cross ones are made in China. So yeah, American Red Cross. But here's the thing, I wanted to actually put this into a hobo kit, in my hobo kit, just to have something. And this is for prepping, because there's a kit. I have like a couple of these, like 3 of these, and I got like 3 to 5 of these actually, of wall filters. So yeah, including the one that's like this one. Now the one difference I see is this has a sticker. Yeah, like and a sticker right here, I believe. Let me see. Yep, there's like a sticker too. But yeah, I want to see how this actually does. CascadeMountainTech.com. So yeah. I guess they manufactured this for American Red Cross in China. Or is it? I can't think if it's Hecho in China. I don't know. I don't remember. Officially licensed products. Can you make it in America? Can we not make these in America? I have to say that right now. Can we not make our own water filters in America? Can we not? But yeah. I'm pretty sure this isn't made in America. Trying to see. But now, if I had to choose which one I would, depend my life on, it would be this one, because that's proven, right? I have this one because it's an emoji one. It's basically an emergency thing, basically, like, and yeah, there's instructions right there. Drinking from a bottle or drinking from a damn lake. Yeah. It does have instructions in here, though. I think. Wow, this one doesn't have it. Weird. Anyway, but if I had... This one is for prepping. So, yeah. Also, I actually just want to have one just to have with me. Because I can't find my, life shawl. I literally cannot find that for nothing. But I like this, though. This one is... Trying to see if there's any instructions in here. By the way. Yes, there were. Right there, fold it up. That's the bottom looks like. That's the top that looks like. And I assume those... Should that not... Yeah, it should hurt it. Because the shawl's like... in the middle. But yeah. I have put this in my pack so I can actually have it for most use. My hiking pack, basically. And this one's going to be used for prepping. And this is actually the newer style stickered one. Are you not going to say, it says Safety Harbor, Florida. Flow, blah, blah, blah. Up to 10,000 gallons. Or 100,000 gallons, excuse me. It does not say where it is made. Probably made in Safety Harbor, Florida, we would assume. But yeah. This is a little bit more than this. But this comes with more, though, Like, as you see, it was $19.97 for the American Red Cross filter, but a couple bucks more for the Sawyer mini filter. But I do feel this is worth it. because you get the plunger, you get a cap for the the bag, and you get a straw. Oh, wait, the straw. Oh, yeah, right there. The straw is right there. How come I wasn't seeing it? Hmm. But yeah, duh. I think it's worth it though because it's a kit. Because you can basically this is a perfect hobo style thing, or hobo kit or whatever. Honestly, now I hate how this is made in China, but I'm gonna use it to see, or have it with me just and be able to use it. How would I test this? How would I test this? Because I want to test it. I'll be honest here. That's like you put a straw right there. That's good. I might have to get a straw for this. Hmm. Yeah. I'm confused. What? Oh wait, wait. Is the straw for? Oh, I'm not gonna think too much about it. Because. But yeah, I have one of these just for prepping, and one of these for I can use. So yeah, let's see how many. Okay, 1,000 gallons. Ooh, that's not a good thing. Actually, of course, this comes with a plunger. I wonder if I can use the plunger for this. Probably not. I don't know. But see, it could be put onto a bottle. This is basically a hefty version, a smaller, hefty version of the. I did compare it to the heftier version of this, I think. But this is actually more of a heftier version and shorter version of the life straw. Which I'm going to get another life straw. I'm going to get a couple of them. Because those would be good for prepping too. Honestly. I wish they came in like something like this. And not like, out how they are in Walmart. But yeah. There's the things. It filters 99 point a crap ton percent of bacteria, including E. coli, Salmonella, and Vibrio. I am not going to pronounce that. It filters that many parasites, Giardia, blah blah blah. That means 0.3% of them will get through. Filters up to 1,000 gallons of water. It's BPA free material. I would hope so. By the way, look at BPA. And it meets the NSF blah 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 testing protocol. Yeah. This one says, we hold ourselves to higher standards for your enjoyment and safety, making the world a better place to live. See aside for details. Yeah. I'm going to go through all these. Every Sawyer product, blah, blah, blah. 140 charities. And basically, this says charities and all that. Thank you. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Anyway. Honestly, I want to test this out to see if it's actually good. I don't know how I'm going to test it out, though. Suggestions? Literally, I have no clue how I'm going to do it. But anyway, yeah, like, subscribe, and do all that cool jazz. Peace.